So guys, I actually got a request from my comment section saying that I should do a tutorial video on how to create a perfect curiosity based thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, so that is why I'm making this video. For you to create your thumbnail, you first of all need to have a video idea. Remember, your thumbnail and your title needs to be saying the same thing, in the sense that your thumbnail is going to be having a clue of what your title is all about. So first of all, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'll go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that I want to create a thumbnail. So this is ChatGPT, so you can either type or you use a voice note. So I'm just going to type and tell ChatGPT what I want. I have a video topic on how to create a captivating and curiosity based thumbnail that gets clicks. Help me design a thumbnail. And also create one from scratch for me. Okay, now I said I have a video topic on how to create captivating curiosity based thumbnail that gets clicks. Okay, now I told ChatGPT my thumbnail and the desire I want for that thumbnail. Now, and I said it should give me a thumbnail design, and then it should help me to create one. Now, a thumbnail design and creating one for me is totally different. Now, for the thumbnail design, it's going to give me things I can use to go and create the thumbnail by myself, using either other AI tools or another tool I'm going to show you, or it will help me to create it by itself, because ChatGPT can also help you to create thumbnail for you. It's just that most times you may not like the one that ChatGPT is creating for you, and if you don't like the one ChatGPT is creating for you, you just have to go and create it yourself. And sure to add that the thumbnail you will create is for YouTube. Ensure it is less than 2 MB so it does not crop out. So you can literally screenshot this prompt and send it to ChatGPT if you want to do yours. So I'm just going to send and then wait for what ChatGPT is going to do. It is literally creating an image for us. We're just going to wait and see what it's going to give us. Okay, so it has just created one thumbnail for us. Thumbnails that get clicks, the curiosity formula, 10 secrets that change everything. So you can see ChatGPT has literally created a thumbnail for us. Now, once ChatGPT creates thumbnail for you, you can see it has given us a face on the thumbnail. What you now need to do is I will now go back. I can now say replace the male image on the thumbnail to my own image too, for the sake of my brand. Now I'm now going to click on this plus sign to send ChatGPT the image I want you to use. So I'm just going to click on photos. Once I click on photos on there, I'll then search for the photo I want to use. I'll look for my own photo. So I'm just going to click on this photo right here, and then I'll say use this image, and then I'll send. You see it will now start designing it again. Okay, just follow it like this step by step. This is actually one way to create your thumbnail. Guys, this is so cute. You can see it has replaced the image with my own. You can see thumbnails that get clicks, the curiosity formula. Okay, 10 secrets that change everything, how to make thumbnails. Okay, so you can see all you need to, once you're satisfied with it, you can just click on this place to download it. Okay, now if you look at the thumbnail and you're not satisfied with it, you can still keep prompting it and tell it exactly what you want. Okay, so we just click on this cancel to go back. So this is one way to also create your thumbnail. Okay, now another way you can actually create thumbnail is to use Canva. Now for you to use Canva, I'll just tell ChatGPT to give me a thumbnail design I can use for Canva. I'll just say give me a thumbnail design I can use to create mine afresh in Canva. Or just send. Okay, so you can see this is exactly the kind of thumbnail that get clicked. So it has given me thumbnail concepts for high click-through rates or conversion. Okay, make people think, wait, what is she doing differently? Now it says split into 3 sections: left, center, hook element, right, your face, blah blah blah. Now just come down to this place. You can see don't write too much. This is where many people fail. Now big text, this is what you're going to write in Canva. Big text, get clicks. Now small text, you now write thumbnails that. Now let's just leave out all of this grammar. Go to Canva. So you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download Canva. I already have Canva on my phone. This is Canva on my phone. You can also design it from their website. Okay, so I'm just going to use my app. So this is my app. So once you come to Canva, you're just going to come down here and click on create. So it now says what will you design. Just come here and type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, you can see YouTube thumbnail, create new. If you want to create your own from afresh, okay, just leave YouTube, click on YouTube thumbnails. So the app is actually having an issue. I'm going to close it and go through the website. So let's go to for you to access the website, just go to Google and search for Canva. So click on Canva. You can see http www.canva.com. Click on it. I just hope it's going to allow us. So it says accept all cookies, stay on web. What will you design today? Start making design for free. Start designing. Okay, so you can log in with Google. So just choose any email of your choice. Okay, I'm just going to choose one email of my choice. Now click on continue. So once you click on continue, it says let's create a Canva design for you. What will you be using Canva for personal projects? Just click on personal project, click on got it. Okay, so you've literally launched your Canva. Okay, so just click on create. If you want to see all your designs you've created, click on your designs. Just you can play around the app after this. Just click on create. Just type on a YouTube thumbnail. Guys, I don't know why Canva chose today that I'm making this tutorial to misbehave, so we're not going to waste our time on this Canva anymore. I think they're actually having a glitch on their website. It's obviously not my network, because you can see my network is accessing every other thing. So I'm just going to leave this and we're going to move to another tool we can use to create a thumbnail. Okay, if you also want me to do a Canva tutorial next time when the website is okay, you can drop at the comment section. So I have the app on my phone. You can download the app on your phone, Gemini. Okay, or you can also go to their website and search for Google Gemini. So now in this place it says create image. I'm just going to type on create image. Now you come down here and it says describe your image. So I'm just going to click on the plus sign to input the image I'll be using for the thumbnail. Click on gallery, and then I'll select the image I'll be using for my thumbnail. I'll select the image. Okay, and then in this place it will not, you now say design, or say create a 16 by 9 ratio YouTube thumbnail. That is not more than 2 MB. The thumbnail should be curiosity based for high click-through rate. Okay, make it sharp and attractive with bold text. That says craft thumbnail like that gets clicks. Then I'm gonna send it. Guys, you can see our thumbnail is ready. Just tap on it. You can see our thumbnail is literally ready. Said craft thumbnails that get clicks. Okay, so you can literally ask it to remove the background of your image. Let me save this one first of all. Just tap on save to save it, and then go back. I remember when you are doing your thumbnail, you just have to ensure you go to YouTube first of all and look at how other people have crafted their thumbnail. Look at what they have put on their thumbnail that is actually making it to get clicks. Okay, your thumbnail doesn't have to have a lot of captions on it. Craft thumbnails that get clicks. When somebody sees this alone, it will trigger them to push. Okay, so this is literally how to design your thumbnail. Okay, you can go ahead and just keep giving it instructions. These are the various ways I designed my thumbnail. I wanted to show you how you can use Canva, but the network, I don't know what's happening for their website. I tried to use the app, it was not working. I went to the website, still the same thing. Clearly it's not the issue of network, because I can literally access ChatGPT and I can access this one as well. So it's not my network, it's a website issue. Okay, so with ChatGPT and this, you can literally create your thumbnail. Okay, you can also use other AI tools to create your thumbnail. Just give it instructions on what you want it to look like and you are good to go. Okay, if you have questions, you can drop at the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.